Hello, beautiful learners. Welcome back to another episode of English Speaking Practice for Beginners. I'm Emma, and today we're diving into something truly special, the language of nature.
And I'm David. We're here to explore how to describe the serene sounds and feelings of nature. Using simple English, we'll express beauty, calm, and emotion.
Exactly, David. Whether you're wandering through a forest or relaxing by the sea, English can help you convey that peaceful vibe. This episode is all about connecting with nature through language.
So, listeners, take a deep breath and join us as we embark on a journey into the language of peace. It's going to be an enlightening and calming experience.
Research shows that nature sounds can significantly reduce stress and improve sleep. The University of Sussex found that these sounds help your brain feel safe and at ease.
That's fascinating, Emma. Today, we will learn the English to describe these soothing sounds and the beautiful feelings they create. It's like a mini language vacation.
Absolutely, David. We often overlook how impactful these simple sounds can be. They act as a natural balm for our busy minds.
And by the end of this episode, you'll have the words to express those peaceful moments. Let's get started with our first segment.
Let's start with some easy yet beautiful words that describe nature sounds. David, could you share a few examples with us?
Of course. Imagine hearing birds singing in the morning or rain softly falling outside your window. These sounds are calming.
Exactly. The wind blowing gently through the trees, leaves rustling, waves crashing, each has its own unique rhythm and feeling.
And don't forget frogs croaking by the pond or insects buzzing in a garden. Each sound paints a vivid picture.
Let's add some feeling words to these sounds. Peaceful, calm, relaxing, and fresh. How do these enhance our descriptions, David?
These words help you communicate not just what you hear, but how it makes you feel, a crucial part of learning any language.
Absolutely. When you say, the sound of rain is relaxing, you're tapping into emotional English. It's all about expressing the personal impact of nature.
And that's what makes language so powerful. It's not just about words, but also about the feelings they evoke. Let's move to a real conversation setting now.
Picture this. We're at a beautiful forest park, surrounded by nature. David, what do you hear right now?
I hear birds singing so beautifully, Emma. The air feels fresh and it's incredibly calming.
Yes, the wind rustling through the trees is like nature's own symphony. It brings a sense of peace and tranquility.
Nature truly is the best music in the world. When I'm here, I forget all my worries. It's a perfect escape.
Precisely. Many people find solace in nature's sounds. It's like a natural form of meditation, aligning our senses to the rhythm of the earth.
And it's accessible to everyone, whether you're in a park or listening through a recording. Nature has a universal language of calm.
That's a great point, David. And for our listeners, try closing your eyes and imagining these sounds. Feel the calmness envelop you.
It's all about connecting with the present moment, and using English to describe it makes the experience even richer. Now, let's practice describing these feelings.
Let's practice together. Repeat after me. The sound of the rain is relaxing. Now, your turn, David.
I feel happy when I hear birds singing. These simple sentences carry profound emotional weight.
Exactly. The ocean makes me feel calm. It's about connecting language with emotion, a powerful tool for any learner.
The forest is quiet and peaceful. Each word choice enhances the emotional impact of your descriptions.
Let's try another. I love listening to the wind. It's as if each phrase is a gentle brushstroke painting a scene.
And combining these with emotions gives us, when I hear the rain, I feel safe. It's language that feels personal.
That's beautifully put, David. It's about creating vivid, emotional landscapes with words, a skill that enriches communication.
Indeed. And with practice, our listeners will find it easier to express their own experiences. Now, let's listen to a short story.
Let's have a short story. It's early morning, the sun is rising, birds are singing softly, the air smells fresh after the rain.
Anna walks slowly and listens. She smiles and feels calm inside. A beautiful way to start the day, isn't it?
It truly is. Now, let's repeat the story line by line for practice. It's early morning.
The sun is rising. Each line captures a moment, a feeling. It's simple yet evocative.
Birds are singing softly. These words help listeners create vivid mental pictures, enhancing their language skills.
She smiles and feels calm inside. It's a gentle reminder of the peace nature brings us.
Exactly, David. Engaging with stories like these helps learners absorb language naturally and meaningfully.
And it's not just about learning English, it's about finding peace through language. Now, let's reflect on why this matters.
Describing nature helps you connect with your emotions in English. It's a powerful tool for expression.
Many learners can describe objects, but expressing feelings is different. Saying, "The sound of rain makes me feel calm," is emotional English.
It's real, it's human, and it's beautiful. And you can use it in daily life when traveling or journaling.
Yes, and it allows you to share personal experiences with others in a meaningful way. It's an enriching skill.
Through language, we can connect with both nature and ourselves. It's a journey that offers endless discovery and growth.
And for our listeners, remember that these skills are yours to use and enjoy. Let them enhance your everyday experiences.
Absolutely. Language is not just a tool for communication, but a bridge to deeper understanding and connection.
All right, that's all for this episode. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.